Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're going to dive into the world of Warrior Plus, a professional, advanced, and feature-packed platform that's taking the online marketing world by storm. So, let's get started. Warrior Plus is a powerful platform that's been designed specifically for digital entrepreneurs and marketers. It's packed with a wide range of professional features, making it the go-to choice for those looking to create and sell digital products. With Warrior Plus, you can easily create and manage your own online store, offering a wide variety of products such as ebooks, video courses, and software. One of the standout features of Warrior Plus is its advanced payment processing system. It supports multiple currencies, making it easy for customers from all over the world to purchase your products. Plus, it offers a range of payment options, including PayPal, credit cards, and even cryptocurrencies. Another great feature of Warrior Plus is its user-friendly interface. It's designed to be intuitive and easy to use, even for those who are new to the world of online marketing. The platform also offers a range of customization options, allowing you to tailor your store to match your brand's style and identity. But that's not all. Warrior Plus also provides a range of marketing tools to help you promote your products. From email marketing to affiliate management, it's got you covered. Plus, it offers detailed analytics and reporting, so you can track your sales and monitor your store's performance. So, what's new with Warrior Plus? Well, the platform is constantly evolving and improving, with regular updates and new features being added all the time. For example, it's recently introduced a new mobile app, making it even easier for customers to access and purchase your products on the go. In conclusion, Warrior Plus is a powerful and professional platform that's perfect for digital entrepreneurs and marketers. Its advanced features, user-friendly interface, and range of marketing tools make it a top choice for anyone looking to create and sell digital products online. So, what are you waiting for? Give Warrior Plus a try and see how it can help you take your online business to the next level. That's all for today, folks. Thank you for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech-related content. Until next time, stay tech-savvy and keep exploring.